level. This is a luxurious house on wheels. Even the five-star hotels, they cannot come close to this one, because from the amenities and the ideas they provide you, you cannot find them on the normal house. As you see, it presented the L-shaped sofa. These sofas has the storage as well, a bed, and then it has ottoman. So if I want to sit, raise my feet, and watch TV, facing the L-shaped sofas, we have a nice smart TV, as you see right here, with two GPL speakers and a fireplace. And then we have a storage in front of that. But the beauty about this one, people, they don't realize there's a huge storage behind this TV and the fireplace. If I take the traveling lash, voila, I have a full hidden pantry inside the living area. I could put whatever I want. I could put my bottles, books, fancy things. I could store as much I want behind the TV and the fireplace. And then when I'm done storing, I just do close this, and voila, and I could enjoy. Now, if you see here, it's a beautiful big windows in the living room. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. They're big size and they open for wind circulations. They have a nice shelving here, so you can say here together we enjoy this place. And then you have a nice beautiful storage door. It's right here, very roomy. You can store a lot of things. But this is what's the nice thing about it. No ever thought about the stairs this unit has. Everybody of the other models, like other brands we carry, they give you the fixed stairs, like the Cedar Creek or the Heritage Glen. But the Impression 44 State, I like what they did is they took it away. Why? Because to give you more view, but still you have it. So if I open this latch and then I bring this stairs, voila, I have full stairs. I could go to my second bedroom. So this unit, it has two bedrooms. I have one loft bedroom here, and then I have a main bedroom in the front. Let's go to the loft and check the loft. Big loft. I could sleep easy, two people here. So one person could stay here and another person could stay there. And then there's a place here for a third TV. If I want to put a TV here, I have the louvered windows. I could close them for privacy. And then if I want to open them, it's very easy. I just open them for if I want to see, and I could talk to the people at the downstairs. And then I have a big shelf here. I could add more stuff like books, clothes, whatever's. It's very roomy here. I could sit, and kids, they could play with their toys. They have a plugs here for 110 and USB plug for their laptop or iPad. They have their AC, and they have also heat vents. So this is as the loft bed over the living room. So I have living room underneath me, and then I have a loft, which is a second bedroom. And also, if you don't want to use this loft, you could use it for storage place. You could use it just only place to store suitcases, boxes, whatever you want to store. You could store it here above your living room. So if I don't want this stairs to be in my view inside my living room, it's very easy. I could go here and just, it already has shock, so you don't have to worry. There's nothing. And then I could do the latch. Voila. So I have folding stairs. I could use it anytime I want. Let's walk from the living area. It takes me straight to the kitchen and dining. So the unit, as you see, it has a nice LED light underneath. It comes with the 4 bar stools. It's a nice dining area. You could use it as a dining, prepping area, serving food area. All of that you could do. It seats 2 people on this side and 2 people on the other side. So I love this wood lightings. It's very nice with the LED lights in the middle. Has a ceiling fan. So this unit comes with 3 ACs, one in the living room, kitchen area, one in the living room and the loft, and one in the bedroom. And it still comes with the ceiling fan. As you see in the kitchen on the 44 stay, what I like about it, it comes with three-way sink. So you have the rise faucet, you have the cup spray, as you have the waterfall. So I could, use the sink in three different ways. And it has the soap dispensers. I could put my fruit, and it has the waterfall. I use this watching. So it's we call three-way sink. You have 1, 2, and 3. This unit come with the dishwasher, and everybody laugh at me and say, yes, this 44 stay come with complete dishwashers, and it's already built in and come with it. You don't have to do nothing. Then when you come over here, everything is residential. So they give you residential microwave, 30-inch, and it's a big microwave. They give you cabinet on both sides. Nice prepping area. You could see we just made a cake. Very roomy. So you're gonna tell me now, look, you give me a good dinette, good counter space, big oven, stove, and microwave, but where I put my canned food or my cereals? Well, don't worry, we give you that right here. We have a full motion sensor pantry. Look how deep the shelf, they're very deep. And I could remove them, so if I have a tall thing, I could remove it. It has even lip, so they don't go anywhere. And then you could put all your stuff over here, no question asked. From the fridge, you have 2 racks for bottles. You could put bottles here, bottles, decorations. And then we have the biggest, you can see how big the refrigerators, half fridge and half freezers, and has a lot of doors. So it has residential, you can see it's a 12-volt refrigerators, but again, the big one with the big 2 doors, bigger microwave, bigger oven, bigger stove, bigger sink. So everything on this one is bigger. I like those windows. There's a windows with valances on the top. There's 2 here on the side too to give you very open. I like this shelf book. You could do books, decorations, whatever, so they don't waste that space for you. They give it to you. And then over here is they provide you with a guest bathroom or a bathroom for the living and the bathroom, the kitchen. So when you are in the living area and you have to use the bathroom, you don't have to walk all the way to the front to use the bathroom. You could just walk from the living kitchen and you have a bathroom here. So I have a really nice mirrors with, and even like this, it's even power mirrors, LED mirrors, and nice sink, counter space, plug, and again cabinet, and then nice porcelain toilet with nice shelf behind the toilet. So it's very nice. You can put whatever you like. So it's very roomy. So that has actually the 44 stay. It has 2 bathrooms, one for the guest and one main bathroom. Now, after you're done living, kitchen, now we're gonna go, and this is guest bathroom. We're gonna go to the main hall to get you to the master suite. And then I like this one. They give you even place here to hang coats, more shelving. They don't waste any space. And then we have here a master suite. The 44 stay, we said 3 ACs, so there's the AC for the main bedroom on the front. This king size bed and versatile. What does mean versatile? Is within a switch. I could raise this bed up and down, which is right here. You could demonstrate. Sorry. You could see the bed. I'm going up. I could raise the bed all the way up, and then I could go raise the bed down if I want to go to sleep, and now it's time to go to bed. Then I lower the bed, and now I could put the pillows in the back, and you could see now I have a nice king size bed, and still walking. You could walk around it. You have plug on the right, plug on the left, outlet. I could put a third TV here. So we said it come with the main TV in the living room, but you could add a TV in the bedroom and add a TV on the loft. You have big doors. I like this bench. I could sit and tie my shoes. And then the closets, huge. I mean, very big closets. I could even physically stand up in the closet to show you how big. There's a big rod with shelf, and then there's even shelf. Let me show you the other side. Look how big it is. And I like those sensor light. Very roomy. You could put as much you want stuff here. So no issue about closet. No issue about storage. I mean, it comes loaded. There's nothing to add. Just couple TVs if you want to add them. Now let's go to the main bathroom or the big bathroom. Now we are inside the big bathroom. Look how big it is. Look how fancy this China sink with a fancy faucet. I love the big mirrors with LED light behind it. And then you have huge, don't tell me you don't have enough. You have a lot of closets. And then there's the sensor lights. You could put all kind of towels, sheets, whatever you want. All stuff you need. And this is a smart idea, the Impression 44 stay. They give you the washer and dryers in the main bathroom. So I could use this counter, folding clothes as well. I could use the sink if I'm using the bathroom. I like this shelving. You could put some chemicals. So it come with the washer and dryers, huge counter space, big sink. They have the biggest shower here, 60-inch. Look how deep it is. Look how far, just to give you an idea. Tall, for tall people, no issues. Traveling latch. So you can see glass shower door, so no water coming out. I like the idea what they did in the bathroom. They give you huge closets, and then I like what they did. Come with washer dryer, and they put it in the bathroom. So if I need to clean up some clothes or make it ready, if I want to fold clothes, you have counter here. You have another counter here. Plenty of room. Porcelain toilet, shelf for towels, you name it. The front, as you see, it has a high profile front in the front, so that's perfect for the bedroom in the front with a king size bed. As you can see here, it has a lot of big views of windows. We have multiple big huge windows on this unit. This unit come also with a big basement storage. If you come over here, you could see the basement storage, all aluminum frame, fiberglass sidewalls, so you could see the amount of storage. It come already with the solar panel, with the controller, outside speakers. It has a nice entry step with the handle, and then this is the door with the 3 layers of windows. Big huge power awning with LED. As you see, the awning has even metal support because it's so big with LED light. Has a nice beautiful slide out this side. You have the rear view camera, the ladder prep, place for your sewer hose. As you see here, the cap slide out this side, so it has one slide in the other side. So this unit total slide out is 4, 1 passenger side and 3 driver side. 60,000 PTU endless tankless hot water heater. And then we have here's the docking stations where all your hookup for city water connection, the outside. And you can see how big, huge the basement storage and pass through. It has the 2 7-gallon propane tank. And then you have a full storage in the front with the tires. And it's a blue diamond and battery box. And you could put a generator if you want, or you cannot. Whatever you want, you could put, or it's a prep, and it has a room for it. This 2025 Impression 44 stay is located here at Best RV in Trolla, California. We have at a price no dealer could match. Even we compete against East Coast or West Coast. No one could touch us in the state of California. No any hidden fees. You could go to our website, bestrv.com, to see all the specifications.